Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm talk about how you can turn off this auto brightness feature in your OnePlus smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open this settings. You can see this. Click on settings. Here it is display and brightness, and here it is the auto brightness feature. You have to just simply turn off this. If you just turn off this, it will not automatically increase or decrease your brightness according to your room lighting system. You have to just turn it off, and then you can customize according to yourself, increase or decrease. You can see. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.